Hello, and this is Charlie and
Dad
on how to do almost anything. This is episode 5, and today we will be filling in the multiplication table.
Yep, this is Monday, December 15th, 2014. Yep. Why don't you switch over to desktop 1 so everybody can see us. Yep, we had quite the setup to do to get this working today because
I think we've done it for almost an hour or two.
Yep, I don't know. We got all sorts of tripods and we had to tape off the windows because there was too much glare.
You can see it right there.
Yeah, sort of. We've got the laptop set up because we couldn't get 2 video streams running, but we've got it now, so we can see you.
I bet there's a way you can.
Yeah,
but
we just didn't have it figured out this time. Maybe for next time. But we've got your multiplication table here, and we'll be able to see you fill it out, and that's good. All right.
I have the answers right there.
Oh, don't show anybody the answers. Quick, put those over to the side. All right.
Come on, it has a podcast on it. I did my multiplication this morning.
Good. So I had a couple of quick errors from last week, right?
Yep.
In episode 4, you made a joke about micro Mojang, and I said micro is only 1/1000th in the SI units, and then later I realized
it's a millionth. 1/1,000,000th.
It's in the metric units. It's 1/1,000,000th. So silly Dad. I should have known better.
And then there's another error.
What was that?
I forgot an error that I had, but there was. He said you can make a lasso out of spiderweb. No, lassos do not exist in Minecraft, and you do not make anything with spiderwebs.
Right. What I was thinking of was actually leads. And they look like lassos in your inventory, so that's why I called it a lasso.
Plus,
it's a lead, and
you make them with string.
You make them with string. So spiders drop string, right?
And slime block.
And then you get a slime block. Slime ball. Yeah, you're right. Oh well, we'll have another error for next week now. Alright, that's taken care of. So, before we get into it...
Screensaver. Sorry about that.
I should have disabled the screensaver. Oh well, I'll just keep waking it up.
Don't mind it.
What did we do this last week?
So, basically, a lot. We got snowed in.
Lots of snow. I was going to go to work in Rochester.
Got canceled because of all the snow. The drive would have been too dangerous.
Didn't want to drive.
But the roads are safe now.
That's fine.
And it's not snowing. But there's still a lot of snow on the sides.
But I got to stay home, so that was okay.
And he's on vacation till next year.
That is right. Vacation started. That's why we get to do this is a Monday podcast. Usually we do our podcast over the weekend. But this weekend
we might be able to do an extra podcast.
Oh, we'll see about that. All right, but anyway, that's right.
Episode 6 coming out tomorrow. Error.
What else did we do over the weekend? You got to go check something out with Mom?
You mean Grandma? Or was it Mom?
Was it maybe Grandma and Grandpa went too. This was the first Lego League.
Yeah.
All right.
No. Grandma and Grandpa went too.
Yep.
I wasn't in it. We just stayed to watch. My dad didn't come. That guy right over there. He was staying home. Or were you still at karate then?
I was still at karate, which you also went to that morning. That was good. But then I came back here and I got some projects done.
Yeah.
So that was good also.
We have some pictures to show you that we did.
Right, because yesterday then we went on our first epic snow adventures on our property. We haven't gone down to the creek really since it snowed.
Yep, and we have 2 surprises. Well, actually 1, but we made a snowman.
Yeah, let's go see. We took a picture of your snowman. Oh, yep, there you go. There he is.
I'm standing next to him.
And we asked you guys, what's his name? And you said his name was Snowman. So that's Snowman the Snowman.
And then we were just playing in the snow.
Yeah, well, that was cool too. Can you maximize that? We found a little island in the creek, and we started building
Sierra Fort?
Yeah, started building the walls of a snow
fort. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
This is the end of it. And it's going to get bigger. At least up to that part of the tree where my pointer is.
That's going to be cool.
It's going to be a snow home.
Okay. Maybe we'll do our podcast from there next time.
Might take It might be melting by the time we finish it.
Mm-hmm. Probably.
No time to build crafting tables or chests. Not even a furnace.
Alright, Minecraft is bleeding into the real world a little bit too much, I see. Then after that, you got to go to another concert at MPAC.
Yeah.
Your grandma and grandpa, right?
It
And how was that?
was good.
It's a Christmas concert. Good
Yeah,
music?
my brother smashed his fingernail right before the concert started, so they had to go outside and they missed half of the concert till the 15-minute intermission.
Yep. Oh well, but Luke was brave. He came back. He got
He's
to
right
see the
there.
second half.
He's right
That's a
here.
picture of your brother right there in the yellow jacket.
My mom, me, in the
Yeah.
green jacket. My
Yeah.
mom in the red.
Yep. Right, and go back one. I guess we
Oh.
should say that was a picture of you, of course, standing next to Snowman the Snowman. Yeah. Okay.
Hat.
And oh, right, I forgot to say, look at that. We built a snowman in the creek.
I don't know if he's there now.
He may have melted away. He may have turned into Slush Man.
Slush the snowman.
Slush the Snowman. That's a good name for him. All
Slush the slush man.
right. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Well, are we ready to do some multiplication tables? You want
Yep.
to show us how it's done?
Back here,
Back to here.
F11 does full screen.
that. Yep. All right. And if you just let go of the mouse pointer, I think it'll take over and just go full screen. Yep. It looks good.
Yeah.
All right. So what do we got here? Show us what's on the table. This looks like a grid of
Yep.
some sort. Yep. 1 through 10 on the top, 1 through 10 on the left.
Times.
Alright. Multiply, also
Yep.
times. So you're going to take the number on the top and multiply it with the number on the side, and fill in the box, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So how does that go?
Fine. Easy. Good. Nice.
Okay. Tell me all about it.
So, 1 times 1. Anything times 1 is that number. So, 1.
All right.
Can you see it?
I think it's as good as we can hope.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I just put a 1 in the... you can see the 1 in the 1.
Mhm.
Put a 1 there. In the 2 times 1, like I said, 1 times any number is itself. Unless, well, yeah. So, 2, 3,
Same deal. Keep on going.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was super easy. You just had to count up 1 through 10.
Same down here.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2's get a little tricky,
Okay.
but I like them. So 2 times anything. So 2 times 1 is 1, we know.
We already know. Yep.
Wait, 2 times 1 is 2.
Error, but you fixed it. Good.
Yeah, immediately. So 2 times 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. But 2 times 2 is still 4.
Right. That's the square.
So
right?
I write 4.
Good.
2 times 3. Well, 2 plus 3 is 5. But 2 times anything is 3 plus 3. And so we write 6.
So what you're trying to say is when you have 2 times anything, it's anything plus itself,
Right.
basically. Okay.
And when you just have a regular multiplication table in order, you can just go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Just a
Just
simple
count by
matter
that
of
number.
count by
Yep.
2's. Okay. So you can fill that out super fast. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Should we do it down or keep going this way?
Let's go down because I think
Yep.
you're doing a good illustration of
2,
the
4,
commutativity rule.
6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Yep. So everything you've been putting in the rows is going the same down the columns.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now, what's
3
next? 3.
times 30. 3 times anything. Just like 2. You skip
Skip
3
count?
numbers. Yep.
Yep.
If it's in order. It's hard to explain how to do it, but 3, 6, 9.
3
That's
plus
how it
3
is.
is 6, plus 3 is 9.
Right.
You add the number
That's how it works.
to itself 3
Mhm.
times. I got it.
But now with 4, it's 4 times 12.
Okay. Because you add
5.
4 to itself 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Right.
Yep. Okay.
5, 15, 6, 19. Yeah. No. No. Yeah, it's 19.
15 plus 3?
Oh, I thought we were doing 4s. Get confused.
That's okay.
So,
3, 6, 9,
17.
12, 15.
oh no, 18.
18. Got it.
21, 24, 27, 30. There we have it.
No problem. All right. Whoops.
I have a magic wand right here. It's just a stick. I found it. Looks like a magic wand. Beep, beep, beep.
Just don't use that for typing.
No.
All right. Are you going to go down? Oh, you are. There you go. So now we're going to go down the same column for the 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Wait a minute. You're right. Keep going. Yep. 27, 30. Yep.
Now 4s. 4 down 4.
All right. Same thing. Do you use the trick where 4 is just double of the 2s?
No,
No. Okay.
I don't use 4 tricks.
Okay. You
Just
just
had skip count.
you just
by
skip
4.
count again by 4s. All right. Sounds good. Let's see what we got.
16.
4, 8, 12, 16. Screen
Right.
saver went on again.
Sorry. 20,
Yep.
24,
Sure.
28,
Yeah.
32,
You're doing good. Yep.
36,
Yep.
40.
Great.
Down. Yep. Ignore that. 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and guess? I'm trying to hear this. Never mind, can't hear ya.
Can't hear him.
No,
Well, why don't you
40.
give him a hint? Okay.
begins with a 4, ends with a 0. 40.
Begins with a 4, ends with a T. No?
40.
Yeah. Sorry.
I have a joke that my dad told me. How old is the pirate?
How old is a pirate?
80.
Why is he 80?
I'm 80.
Because he says, R.I. matey.
Yep.
Got it.
5. 5, 10, 15, 20. What do you think? Begins with a T, ends with a...
25.
No, begins with a T, ends with a E.
Mm-hmm.
25.
Right. So again, we're just skip counting, but by 5s, for some reason, are super easy to skip count by.
30. 35. 40. 45. And 50. 50. 25. 3T. 35. 40. 45. 5T.
All right. Cool. Let's make sure everybody can see it. All right. You're cruising. That multiplication table is almost all filled out.
And we're not using the same thing as all the time, so we don't know how long it is. We'll just have to check later when we edit it. We don't need to edit because we're not using Minecraft, so we don't need to edit our usernames.
Good.
We'll
All
only
right.
need to edit our bad words, if we do any.
All right, no bad words.
No bad words.
All right, keep on going.
35. Oh, wait, no.
All right, now we're in the 6s.
Yeah. I thought you were still doing the 5s.
All right.
6s, skip count by 6. I don't do that, because skip counting by 6s can be hard.
All right. You could double the 3s.
I don't do
You don't
that.
do that either? Okay.
I just memorize them.
Okay, fair enough.
36.
6 the square is 6 times 6, 36. Got it, yep.
I wish I had the answers.
I thought you memorized it.
Yeah, 42 is next.
Good.
And then, or I can just do the 8s down and figure it out.
Okay.
So like that's 40, so 48.
Yep.
9s, I have a very good trick for, but it's hard to explain. Maybe I could explain it later, but first let's get this thing done.
Okay.
9 times 6,
Mm-hmm.
it's just 72 minus 9. No,
I don't know what you're
63
doing.
minus 9.
Okay.
52.
Okay, that was a good trick.
Not right. Really?
9 times 6. Oh, it's not 50. No, yeah.
It's 54.
Right.
Um,
Because 63 minus 10 would have been 53.
right.
Minus 9
60.
is 54. There you go. All right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I have a screensaver too.
Yeah. Where did that 63 minus 9 come from, anyway?
What?
Was that your trick, the 63 minus 9 to do?
No. You could just making sure the screensaver doesn't come.
Okay.
If I made it harder to see, sorry. But
Alright.
anyway.
For some reason, you knew 9 times 7. And you knew 9 times 6 was 1 less than that.
48, 54,
Or 9 less than that.
60. Cruising.
Cruising. All right.
7s?
How
I
did you?
don't
Now, you did that column a lot faster than you did that row. How did you do that?
Followed that.
Ah, I see. So 42 was 42, 48 was 48, 54 was 54, and 60 was 60.
Yep.
Got it.
Easy.
All right. Because, can we explain commutativity now? Is that a good time? Because 9 times 6 was the same as 6 times 9. So you can multiply forwards or backwards. It doesn't matter what the order is. Got it.
Here comes the 7th. 7 squared is 49. 42 plus 7, 49. 56.
Because you just did 49 plus
Right.
7.
Oh. 63.
There's that 63.
And 70. Down again.
All right.
56. 63. 70. Rhymes, I think. Sounds good, at least.
All right, watch out for the tripod.
Oh.
All right, sit back in your seat there. Everybody's going to see an earthquake if you knock the tripod. All
Hey,
right,
hold on.
you got the 7s done. What's next?
8.
First, you got the 8 squared.
I haven't memorized all the 8s. Although 8 squared is 64.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you knew that. All right, and now you have 9 times 8, which you know your trick for, right?
56. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, my 9 trick, 63, 72.
There you go.
I can tell it to you now. So 18, we'll start from 18.
Right.
You add the 1, and you
Add 1 to the tens place.
and then subtract 1 from the ones place.
Okay, so in the tens place, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Adding 1, and you put that 1 you added also on the, and you subtract this one and add it to the tens place.
Okay, so then in the ones place, we had 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yep.
So 18, 27, 36, 45. Neato. Okay.
80.
All right.
Same this way.
8 times 9 is 72. And 8 times 10 is 80. We've only got 4 blocks left, and this times table is full.
9 squared is 80. No, 81.
Is it?
81.
Oh, there we go.
And 9 times 10 is 90. Last moment.
10 squared is 100. Alright. Yay. And you didn't have to do the 10s because they were all filled out. Oh, the only one 10 you had left was the 10 squared. But the cool thing about the 10s row in the column is that they count up really easy. It's just
Yep, it's just, add a 0 to the end.
10, 20,
Count.
30, 40.
No, just count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Add a 0.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice. All right.
20s, it's 2 zeros.
Were there any other tricks about the multiplication table or that you wanted to show before I showed some of the other crazy things?
I think there's an error for next week. Error. Yep, error.
Error, what's the error for next week? We can fix it now so we don't have to remember for next week.
That with times 20, you don't add 2 zeros.
Times 20, you
don't.
multiply by 2 and add a 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds right.
That's right. So can you see the whole multiplication table? Let me see what makes it help you.
You're going to hold it up? Hold it. Try this camera up here. Oh, nope, that one's... Oh, that one's our camera. Oh, that was this camera. Here we go. How's that? Does that look good?
Yep.
Alright, nice job.
I wrote Yahoo.
Alright, so we covered the commutativity, right, from here. Poof.
Was it right?
You want to check your answers? What was the one you had trouble with? Was it 6 times 8 or something like that?
Yeah.
You got, I
It's
think, I'm
48.
pretty sure you got everything right. I was checking you as you went. But if we messed up, maybe somebody could leave a comment on the video and we'll make sure we fix it. But I'm pretty sure we got them all right.
Yep.
Yep. All right. So the commutativity was that 4 times 2 equals 2 times 4. So whenever you have a number over here,
I
it
have
matches
something
this
to
number
tell you.
on the diagonal. That's the commutativity rule.
Okay, I have another one.
What's your other one?
I think I forgot. Hold on. Let me think. Pause.
Go ahead. You can think. I can keep on.
It just got worse.
It just went out of your head. It's gone.
Right.
Oh, that's really annoying. What about the area of a rectangle? We could do that. Yeah, we'll do that. So let's say we want to find the area of a rectangle that's 6 blocks wide by 4 blocks high. Right? All we got to do is count up the number of blocks in that rectangle, and that'll be, well, no, actually, we have to multiply. Wait, no, yeah, we can count up the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Faster.
Faster? What's the faster
5
rate?
times 4.
6?
No,
6
6
4?
times 4. 20. No, 24. It's always in the corner.
It's always in the corner, so 6 times 4 is 24. So if we wanted to know the area of a 10 by 10, what would that be?
How about this?
About
9 times... Oops, sorry. 9 times 8.
Oh, you want to do a 9 by 8? Okay.
In the corner is the answer.
Ah, 72. All right. Pretty cool. All right, and then the one last trick I wanted to say is...
So 1, 3, those are both odd numbers. Counting up, add 2 each time.
Right, that's why I shaded some of these and left some of these unshaded. So you start with 1.
Right.
That's 1 block. All right. Now we go 2. How many blocks is that?
3.
We got 3 blocks there. All right. Now we go to 3. How many blocks do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we go to 4. How many blocks do we have here? 1, 2, 3,
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see
7,
the
9,
pattern?
12,
7, 9,
12, 11,
11,
13, 15,
11,
17, 19.
13, 15, 17,
19.
19. So that says that if we were to pick one of these blocks, all right, and here I've got another paper, all right, and we did 1 block plus 3 blocks, that's 4. That's equal to 2 squared. All right, now let's do the next one. 1 block plus 3 blocks with 5 blocks.
1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is
1 plus
9.
3 plus 5 is 9, and that's equal to
3 squared.
3 squared.
So that, I'm guessing, is 4 squared.
1 blocks plus 3 blocks plus 5 blocks plus 7 blocks.
It's just 9 plus 7.
Yep, which is 9 plus 7 is just
60?
16, right? Which
Is
is
4
squared. All
I
right.
know that.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is
just 16 plus 9.
Yep, which is
What? Thinking. Let me think.
well, it's 16 plus 10.
Oh wait, I have a trick.
What's your trick?
Wait. It's happened to me again. Forgot it.
Forgot
Can't
it.
remember it.
Use my trick then. What's 16 plus 10?
It's 26.
Minus 1?
No, that's the real answer. 25.
There you go, 25. All right, so now the grand problem. What is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, all the odd numbers, all the way up to 19? Well, we see when we add the odd
100?
numbers. Yes, right. The sum of all of the odd numbers is equal to the square of the number of numbers you've added minus 1 divided by 2, or something along those lines. This is the formula.
I can turn you guys upside down.
No, don't mess with that. Don't mess with that. What have you done?
Screensaver,
Oh, no.
screensaver. Oh, look it.
Yep,
14
that's
plus
fine.
12 plus 15. Why is that there?
That's time and the date.
Mine goes on screensavers too. I almost went on
So let me make
screensaver.
sure I state that accurately. The sum of all of the non-numbers up to n is equal to n squared. So if you want to add 1 to 10, all the odd number, if you want to add the first 10 odd numbers up, that'll get you 1 to 19, and that'll get you 10 squared, which is 100. Phew. Okay. What are you doing now? Filling out one more, filling out all the perfect squares in the other multiplication table. 9, 4, 1. All right. Well, I think we probably don't need to fill out the multiplication table again.
Don't worry, this time it's faster.
This time you're just going to do it super fast? All right. Can you scooch it over here so we can all see it? Sixes. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 8, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, 8. 5, 10. 15. 20. 25, 5, 10, 15, 20. Sixes now. 6, 12, 18, 24. Yep. 30. Sixes. 6, 12.
Something.
Something that's that you meant to scribble out that. That's 15. All right. 18, 6, 12, 18. There you go. 24.
It's.
6 times 5.
I mean, that just doesn't look right.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. 6, 12, 18, 24. That's right.
That's right.
24 plus 6 is now 30. That's right. All right, you want to take a break there? And
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Yes. All right, sounds good. All right, well, I think that's a good episode.
Yeah.
Thanks for teaching us how to do multiplication table, Charlie.
Mm-hmm. There's complicated multiplication tables. Let me show you. I think if I can get out of here.
Well,
Could you
what
go
did you
get
what
my
did you want to
Beast
show
Academy?
us? Oh, you want to show us some Beast Academy?
Yeah.
We probably should have grabbed that beforehand. Did you leave it on the table over there?
I think it's downstairs somewhere. Eh.
All right. Well, you know what?
Yeah,
We'll
I'll show you some. Some multiplication tables do work out that aren't that regular one, like 1, 4, 7,
Mm-hmm.
7, 2, 9.
Okay.
7 times 1, 7.
Sure.
7 times 4, 28.
Yep.
7 times 7, 49.
Okay.
Now down. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 9, 9. Now 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 9 is 36. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 9 is 63.
Got it.
It all works out.
It all works out. Was there something special about that made it works out?
Yeah,
7
because
to
you
9.
can make a multiplication table anyway,
Oh, right. You can
and
make
it's
it
always right. As long as you fill in the right numbers.
As long as you do it correctly, it's always right.
Yep, show it close up.
All right. Looks good.
1, 4, 7, 7, 2, 9. Yep.
All right. I think we've done enough for this podcast. Did
Yeah.
you have any other final words before we go?
That 2 plus 3 equals 5.
All right. After all of that complicated multiplication, you're going to leave us with a simple addition fact that 2 plus 3 equals 5.
2 times 3 equals 6.
All right. And also, wait, 2 times what is 6?
3.
Oh, 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 2 is
6.
because it's commutative.
All right.
Got it. All right. Well, thanks for listening, everybody. Put away your picture of your eye. How about we go over to your other screen and end this podcast?